Maintainer wax. This is a specially formulated product which is designed to quickly add a layer of protection to your leisure vehicle. This rapid wax can be used on metal and fiberglass surfaces, as well as chrome, vinyl, plastic and rubber, keeping your caravan or motorhome in pristine condition with minimum effort. After washing and drying your vehicle with PROTEX High Foam Cleaner, shake well and apply a light spray of wax, working one panel at a time, keeping the sprayer about 6 inches from the panel. Using a microfiber cloth, gently wipe away any excess spray, then swap to a clean microfiber and buff to a shine. Once the vehicle has been cleaned and protected, simply repeat this every few months for year-round protection. This product can also be used on cars and commercial vehicles.